We have completed number 10. Now we will see what we have for 2 and 4, as these two questions are almost the same. The sum of two square of two positive number and the sum of square of two number. In question number 2, we have to consider this. We have to actually get more intention to this in this part, that they have said two positive number, and in question number 4 they have said about two number. So these two number either can be positive or negative, but these two number cannot be negative. In when we solving this math, so we will also see that. So the sum of the square of two positive number is 250. So let's take the one positive number is equal to x and another positive number is equal to y. So sum of two squares of two positive number, that means x square plus y square is equal to 250, and the product of the number is 117. That means x plus y equals to 17, 117. Okay, and 17, find the number in question number 4, that is sum of squares of two number. Let the number are x square plus y square, I mean x and y, and the sum of their squares is equal to x square plus y square is equal to 181, and the product of the number are 90. Find the difference of the squares of the two numbers. So further we have to determine the value of x square minus y square. This is our final destination. Okay. So if we look at for 6, 2, I mean, so the larger number is x. You can write the one positive number is x and another positive number y, and as you know, not need to mention this. This is not you not need to mention it, that is x will be greater than y, as they have only told about two positive number and this positive number any of them. But actually, if we take every number individual, so no number can be equal, and so there will be one is greater than other. If we take 24 and 25, then 25 5 will be the larger number. Okay, so it is better to mention this, but these have no effect on answer. Okay, so x square plus y square is equal to 250 from the first condition, and product of the number, what the product of the number is 170. Now, from these two value, equation number 1 and 2 both, what we get, we know x square plus y square is equal to x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy, or x plus y whole square is equal to, putting the value of x square plus y square and xy, we get to 484. That means x plus y whole square is equal to 484, or x plus y whole square is equal to 22 whole square. That means x plus y is equal to 20. So 22, as we get when we solving the equation question number 1, we know that we have learned that if we anyhow get this value that of x plus y, it is easier for us to solve the math if we get the value for x minus y. So they have done the same thing here. We know x minus y, again x minus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square minus 2xy. Then putting this value from equation number 1 and 2, we get x minus y whole square is equal to 250 minus 2 into 117. And what we get, x minus y whole square is equal to 4 whole square, or x minus y is equal to 4. Now the further part is very easier. That is adding these two equation, we will get value for 2x and then value for x, and that is 30, and adding and subtracting equation number 4 from equation number 3, we will get value for y and then for y, and that is nothing else, 9. So the two positive number are 13 and 9. And for in question number 4, as they didn't told us either the number is positive or negative, it can be both of them. Okay, because these things gonna be affect the answer, affect the math, or during solving the math. That is, let the now first number is x and the second number is y, and it will be, and we are considering that x will be greater than y. So according to first condition, x plus x square plus y square. And that means square of the sum of the square of the numbers is equal to 181. That means x square plus y square is equal to 181. And then product of the number is equal to 90. That means x into y is equal to 90. Now we know x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. The whole thing here is same that we have done earlier. All these charts. Okay, so the whole thing is same. Then x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. X square plus y square is equal to x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. As we get the value for xy and x plus y whole square, we can manage the value for x plus y. But what we have done, what we have get there, as they have said, this x plus y both are positive number, so the addition and the subtraction of two positive number will be always a positive value, not the negative value. But if either of the number is negative, it can summation or the subtraction of these two number can be negative. So we have to write down this x plus y is equal to plus or minus 19. Then as we get the value for x plus y, we need the value for x minus y. Okay, so value for x minus y, we know x minus y whole square is equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. So from this calculation, we get the value for x minus y is equal to 1. Here, the value of 1 has automatically came positive number. This is not a, nothing, and this is nothing to wonder. But here, x plus y has came plus or minus negative. Now, what we have to write now? We have to write now as now, according to question, if what we have to write now, as we need the value of x square plus y square, we can say that x square plus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. But x plus y into x minus y, but it cannot be negative and negative as it cannot be negative as x minus y indicates the difference of two numbers, as this is positive. So multiplication of x plus y and x minus y cannot be negative. Can I clarify this? Okay, I am repeating this. Okay, x plus y. Okay, this is plus or minus 19, but x minus y has came 1, that is positive number. Okay, so as these two difference of this value is positive, that means both of the number are positive. Like 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. You can say that 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 1. But this is the larger and this is the 4, and difference always be considered as larger minus smaller. So if we consider the difference of these two number as positive, the multiplication of this difference and the summation cannot be also be negative. Okay, so we are taking as x plus y and x minus y as positive, as a positive value, so it will be x square minus y square is equal to plus 19 only. Okay, plus 19. So what we need, the square of the difference of these two number, that is x square minus y square is equal to 19. Okay, that's all for today. Sorry for my all this problem, but I will manage more good content for you. So up to this, okay, good night.